Well, welcome to the lecture over Project 1, the AI Generated References. For this project, you're going to ask Gemini to create a 10-source reference list for you on a topic of your choice. The topic does not matter. If you're researching for another class, please use that topic. This will help you in your other classes. But you're going to ask it to create the reference list. Then you're going to check each source to make sure the APA is correct, make sure it's a credible source and not a hallucination created by Gemini. And then you're going to write a Driscoll reflection on it. Now, by the time we start to do this, you'll learn all about the Driscoll reflective method, okay? And if you want to see a sample entry of what you're going to do, here's a sample entry. No, I did not write anything. This is Gemini creating something for me. It says I wrote something, but I didn't. So, and just a brief introduction here says for all these big projects, I will say, well, this is what it is. I'll give you the instructions and I'll give you a rubric. And I don't give page counts. Please don't ask me how long it's supposed to be. It's as long as it needs to be. We're not in high school anymore where you have to write 2-page essay. No. However this needs to be is how long it's going to be. Okay? And this is talking about research in the AI. I do this because this is the world that you're fastly running into. You AI is going to crash into you any second now. As I said in the welcome, we use it in this course. If you want to use it in another course, you have to be transparent, tell your instructors what you're doing, and ask your instructor if use of AI is acceptable in their course. Do not go to them and say, Dr. Johnson said I could. No. Tell them, I ask them, don't tell them, ask them, I would like to use AI. I am using AI. What's your policy on the use of AI? Make that crystal clear before you do anything. Okay? So that's why we're doing it. And again, Gemini rewrote this for me, and look what Gemini says. If your citations are messy or incorrect, a reader begins to doubt the accuracy of your entire document. Professionalism in your references builds document credibility. And here's also another description. You know, it's not science fiction. This is not Skynet or HAL 9000. It's real. It's here. We're embracing AI to help with the hunt and peck of research because it is quite a large thing. And as you get up in your degree plans, you'll learn more and more about research. And again, however AI can find information, you can't determine if it's credible or not. You, the human, must do that. So this lesson is you're going to write a prompt to get the AI to give you high quality results. You're going to audit the AI, because you're the human here, and evaluate the sources using the CRAP method. So you're going to submit one Word document. It's going to contain the annotated reference list and a reflection. And this goes over, you create your free Gemini account. You use the following prompt, copy, paste, and edit in the bracket. And I ask Gemini to create a prompt for you that would give you the information, because this is a skill that's going to be in demand, high demand in the coming years, to learn how to write prompts to get AIs to do what you want. And I asked the AI, okay, and this is what it came up with, okay. So you're going to ask it to do that, again, whatever topic you want. Topic does not matter. Please don't ask me, is this topic all right? I don't know. You put the topic in. If you're getting results and they're not hallucinations of the AI, you got a good topic. All right. So you can compose a reference list. You're going to format the citation. Look, hey, it even tells you it gets the citations wrong. You must fix the citation. And if you go to the front page or her page, I'll show you in a minute, where we have resources for this. Add the crop analysis under each of 10 stations. Okay. And here's, you're going to talk about all these. Driscoll reflection. We'll learn about this in week 2. You're going to go to your 10th source. You're going to put in a page break, and then you're going to write your Driscoll reflection. You're going to have an introduction. So what? What? So what? Now what? Okay. Here's the rubric. There's a checklist. There's a checklist for the project. You have all these done. Okay. Again, there's a sample entry. Here's the APA citation. Here's the analysis. You can format it just like this if you want. Just make sure that the formatting is correct and you don't have big spaces everywhere. That's very important. And then upload your document. I'm going to go back to the home page for a second and show you a couple things on the home page. So here's project 1. Here is APA resources. How to format Newton's accounting information, sentence case capitalization, all this information on how to check and see if your APA sources, your citations are correct. Important stuff. Are we going to have a class in it? No, because it's very easy for you to look up, see what it is, and apply it to your work. And then here's a sample of project 1. This was done in the fall. That's all you have to have as a heading. APA citation in the dots. APA citation in the dots. That's it. Well, that's all it is for project 1. Again, if you have any questions on it, specific questions for you, email me. If you have general questions that will apply and help everybody, put it in the extra credit. And that way everybody can learn from it. That's all I have for now. Looking forward to this exciting time to be alive right now. Bye.